A dolly shot is one of the must-know cinematic moves. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform it with and without a gimbal. With a large, heavier gimbal, hold it at a slight 45-degree angle and then carefully move to the sides in a horizontal plane, trying to keep the camera level. A smaller, lighter gimbal like the Pocket 3 can just be held vertically or at a 45-degree angle. Lighter gimbals will be more prone to micro shakes, so use two hands to give extra support, or grip your wrist with the other hand and then lock your elbows into your body for extra support and smoother shots. You can perform the dolly shot without a gimbal, just handheld, although it's much harder to get a smoother shot, of course. Putting two hands on the camera will certainly help, but gripping your wrist with the other hand while locking your elbows into your body will help even further. For a mobile handheld, it's best just to hold it with two hands. You can move a further distance in a dolly move by spreading your legs slightly and then leaning to the side, bending your knees. This is going to allow greater movement, so just concentrate on keeping the camera level in the horizontal plane. Here's some tips to get smooth dolly shots. Don't perform the move too fast, because with a slow frame rate it's going to appear jerky. Use two hands and not one hand. If you're going to hold your mobile with one hand, at least don't hold it with a couple of fingers, as not only will the shot appear not smooth, but you're going to risk dropping the phone, of course. Hold the phone with two hands if you can and put your fingers underneath to support the phone. As already mentioned, keep your feet firmly on the ground and don't try and perform any acrobatics while holding your phone. By following these tips in this video, you should be able to get smooth dolly shots regardless of which camera you use or whether or not you use any gimbal. Thanks for watching and see you soon on another tips video.